My name is Matt Lowe. I'm the president of our labs division at MasterControl. So in a typical manufacturing environment where they may be using a paper process or a hybrid process or even an MES system that isn't outputting a batch record per se, it can take days, weeks, even months to review that batch record. And while they're reviewing that, the product sits on the shelf. They can't sell it. Well, if you think about a batch that costs $1 million, $2 million in raw materials, resource costs, time, all the things that go into that, well, if you can't sell $2 million worth of cost for 2 months, that's pretty painful as a business owner. Review by exception allows you to take that review time down to minutes and hours. So now you're able to free up the working capital that you have tied up in that batch that's just sitting on the shelf.